Being in an accident is never easy. Getting your vehicle repaired can be. Did you know you have a choice when it comes to where you will have your vehicle repaired? Our trained and knowledgeable staff makes choosing a Toyota certified collision center an easy decision. Our body shop technicians must complete hours of hands-on training. We utilize the latest equipment to ensure your vehicle is the same as when it was manufactured. And by using genuine Toyota parts during the repair process, we guarantee your satisfaction. Designed to meet quality, safety, and appearance specifications, genuine Toyota parts will protect your investment and maintain your warranty while getting you back on the road in no time. It's this standard of quality you've come to expect from Toyota, and it's what sets us apart from the rest.